Destroy. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
How would you like to spend some time in a shopping mall in Fukuoka, Japan, where you can shop at over 220 stores, enjoy amazing food, and come face to face with a nearly 25-meter tall moving Gundam, all in one place? This is LaLaport Fukuoka. Getting here is easy. From Hakata Bus Terminal, just hop on buses 44 or 45. In about 20 minutes, you'll arrive right outside the mall. LaLaport Fukuoka opened in 2022 and has quickly become a favorite for both locals and tourists. With hundreds of shops, restaurants, cafes, and entertainment spots, it's the perfect place to spend half-day or even a full day shopping, eating, and exploring. For tech enthusiasts, check out the Anker store located on the mall's first floor. This is the first floor of LaLaport Fukuoka. As we walk through the halls, you'll find a great mix of lifestyle stores, beauty shops, cafes, and unique Japanese retailers that make browsing just as fun as shopping. This is the second floor of LaLaport Fukuoka. This is where fashion takes center stage. As we stroll through the wide modern hallways, you'll find an exciting mix of international brands and popular Japanese favorites, making it the perfect level for a shopping spree. On the second floor, you'll find popular Japanese favorites like UNIQLO and GU for stylish and affordable clothing, along with international brands like Zara, Levi's, Armani Exchange, the North Face, and Ralph Lauren, as well as the New Balance store. On the third floor, you'll find the ABC-MART Grand Stage, where you can shop for sportswear and trendy sneakers. And on the same floor is the grand dining area. After all the shopping and exploring, don't miss the grand dining restaurant and food court area located on the third floor. This is one of the largest dining zones in Kyushu. It combines a spacious food court and restaurant area with around 30 dining options and approximately 1,450 seats, making it easy to find something for everyone. Here in LaLaport Fukuoka's Grand Dining, you'll find authentic Japanese favorites like ramen, sushi, tempura, tonkatsu, and yakiniku. This, alongside international flavors like Taiwanese xiaolongbao, Western-style omu rice, Korean specialties, cafes, and even desserts. Many of the restaurants are popular local favorites, giving you the chance to enjoy Fukuoka's food culture without leaving the mall. If there's one thing we can recommend, it's the spicy rich seafood and pork broth chukemen from Gyoku. It's the best we've ever tried. If you like chukemen, this is something that you shouldn't miss. If music is your passion, don't miss Shimamura Music, which is also located on the third floor. This is one of Japan's largest musical instrument retailers, offering everything from beginner-friendly instruments to professional-grade music gadgets. The store also offers music lessons for both children and adults, making it more than just a place to shop. It's a destination for anyone who wants to learn, improve, or rediscover their love for music. We've explored the shops, enjoyed some amazing food, and now it's time for LaLaport Fukuoka's highlight. Let's head outside to Forest Park, where we'll find the iconic life-size Gundam figure. No visit to LaLaport Fukuoka is complete without seeing its biggest attraction, the life-size moving Gundam model. Standing an incredible 24.8 meters tall in Forest Park outside the mall, it's the tallest life-sized Gundam statue in Japan and the iconic symbol of LaLaport Fukuoka. The Gundam Plaza is the perfect place to stop for photos, whether you're a lifelong Gundam fan or just seeing one up close for the first time. Walk around the statue to admire its incredible details from every angle, and don't forget to look behind it. It's one of the few life-size Gundam statues that can be viewed from all sides. If you visit during the scheduled performance times, you'll also catch an impressive light, sound, and motion show as the Gundam moves its head and right arm, bringing this legendary mobile suit to life. As the sun goes down, the nighttime illumination makes the experience even more spectacular. LaLaport Fukuoka proves that it's more than just a shopping mall. It's a place where world-class shopping, delicious dining, and unforgettable attractions come together in one incredible destination. Whether you come for the Gundam, the fashion, or the food, there's always something new to discover. The world is full of stories. Let's keep discovering them, one getaway at a time.